So now we're on the Draw tab. The Draw tab is great because I'm able to select a pen. I'm able to select the thickness of the pen. So if I want a fine point in black, I can go ahead and be really small with it. And I'm not using a stylus at this time, so it makes it a little bit more difficult. But I'm able to go to anywhere that I have text. And if I wanted people to look at this one, these are really the important ones. I can highlight those. I can point to them and say, hey, check out these ones. They're really important. Back. Those are the really important ones. I can make it a thicker line as I need to. Or if I maybe don't want this text right here, and I decide to bump that down, now I got all this blank space here, but I don't need all that blank space. I can click Insert Space, click right above where I want to drag up, and then start dragging it up. And it gets rid of all that dead space that was between them. Or I could have manually dragged it up to where I need to go, but sometimes you're on a page and there's just so much that you need to move that it's not really worth it for you. Next up is Ink to Math, which is really difficult to do on a computer that does not have a stylus. So that should be a 2. Plus, again, I'm not really good at this, so that should be a plus. Again, one more time. I just wrote it out. It came out exactly how I wanted it to. I can make that larger. Oh, looks like I selected too much of the text. Just wanted that one. And there we go. Now I can have someone work it out by doing the Draw tab, so that would be 2a plus 4a equals, well, what is 2 plus 4? Well, we know that that is 6, and since the variables are the same, it'll be a. So 2a plus 4a equals 6a. Really cool stuff for math, especially if you have your students maybe inserting a printout of some math sheets and things like that that you might want them to work on. Personally, this is really great because I'm able to mark up text as I'm reading it. So I might say that right there. Really important. And I have a Surface at home that I use, and I have a touchscreen laptop at home that I can use, so I can write on it a little easier than I can with the mouse. But the Draw tab is really helpful. You're able to do all sorts of different things. Look at all these. You can do graphs, you can do shapes, you can do lines, you can do ink to math, you can do ink to text, and you can change your color wheels, all sorts of different ways. So it's really helpful and good to use. Thank you.